Hello, Sir Von here. While waiting, please allow me to make use of my time to share a little knowledge about pharmaceutical calculations for the glory of God. Now for today's topic, ratio and proportion. My goal for this video is for us to be able to solve problems related to ratio and proportion confidently and of course, accurately. That's why by the end of this video, I will give you a quiz for you to answer on the comment section below. And who knows, baka ikaw ang manalo ng 500 GCash credit. Now, before I begin, let me introduce what ratio and proportion is. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities. For example, 30 females in every 10 males. Or you can just write it down as 30 females per 10 males. In pharmaceutical applications, we could have examples like 250 milligram of drug in every 5 ml. Now, proportion naman is two equal ratios. For example, 250 milligrams per 5 ml is equivalent to 50 milligrams per 1 ml. These are equal ratios, however, this one has a different proportion. Can you guess how many proportion there is? Correct, 5. Because if you multiply 50 milligrams with 5, that would be 250 milligrams. And if you multiply 1 ml with 5, that would be 5 ml. Now the key to solving ratio and proportion problems is the use of cross multiplication. So here's the tip. It may be that this will be a known or this will be a known, but whichever will be paired up with the unknown will automatically be the denominator. And I will explain that later. Now let's solve problem number 1. Let's say we have an order of 750 milligrams of acetaminophen and the only available supply we have is 125 milligrams of acetaminophen per 1 ml syrup. Now question, how many ml should we give? Now if we're going to apply the cross multiplication method, we should write it as 125 milligrams per 1 ml is equals to what we requested, 750 milligrams per x ml, or the unknown. Now, I mentioned earlier, in cross multiplication, whichever is paired up with the unknown will automatically be the denominator. And for this case, the one that is being paired by the unknown is the 125 milligrams. So the solution becomes x is equals to 750 milligrams times 1 ml divided by 125 milligrams. And the answer is 6 ml. Therefore, in order for us to provide 750 milligrams of acetaminophen, we may give 6 ml. Problem number 2. Let's say we have an order of 250 milligrams of nitroglycerin tablets and the available we have is 0.5 milligrams nitroglycerin per tablet. Question, how many tablets should we give? Again, if we apply the cross multiplication technique, we should write it down as 0.5 milligrams per 1 tablet is equals to what we requested, 250 milligrams per unknown tablets. Now again, which one is paired with the unknown will automatically be the denominator for the equation. So the equation becomes x is equals to 250 milligrams times 1 tablet divided by 0.5 milligrams. And the answer is 500 tablets. So, if you want to provide 250 milligrams of nitroglycerin, we should give 500 tablets. Ratio and proportion is the foundation of pharmaceutical calculations. If you can master this, then the dosing problems will become very easy. Now, if you think this video helped, please follow for more pharmaceutical math tips. Now, to end this video, I promise you a quiz, right? Now, here's your problem. In the Bible, 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes were able to feed 5,000 men. Question, how many loaves of bread and fishes does Jesus need in order for him to feed 12,500 men? Put your answers in the comment section below. At baka ikaw manalo ng 500 GCash credit. Once again, this is Sir Von, ang nagsasabing mabuti man o di naaayon, may natututunan pa rin tayo sa lahat ng panahon. Bye!